the Catch. So this is Rianne.
Joanna. What a mess, everybody, but it's my...
Hello!
Hey guys, this is Joanna Loquellano, your Loquellano blogger, and for today's video, we will be going somewhere. We will go to the Catch. It's a restaurant owned by my cousin, so I will go there and have a shoot, meet some local TikTokers out there also, and we will see what will happen there. So I'll bring you guys there. Yeah, I'm from Philippines.
Okay.
So hey guys, I'm here inside the taxi. I'm going to Diara to visit my cousin's restaurant there at Centurion Tower. So yeah. Hey guys, wait a bit. Hey guys, we're now here at Centurion Tower. We're here at the Catch. Very delicious food. It's near the day-to-day Diara. Very nice place. Rianne. Come here. Hi.
Hi, everybody.
We're now here at the Catch. So this is Rianne.
Joanna.
So we're gonna do live later.
Yeah, we're gonna do live later for doing questions.
Yeah, we will have a...
Kailangan na lang.
Okay.
We're gonna have a slumber party.
Sige.
This slumber party.
Yes, and then there's a local TikToker here named Ali.
Yeah.
He's right there.
Yeah, he's right there, and he doesn't do dances yet.
But Rianne will teach him. Will teach him some TikTok dances.
No.
No. Okay, see you later, guys.
But I used to not do TikTok dances.
Go back. Bye.
Share Facebook.
Guys, we're done eating. Hi, Rianne.
Hi, I wanna hold the camera.
Okay, wait.
Hi, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you reach me some tissue? Okay.
So we're done eating. This is Tibawi and Moana. Wait. Then chicken in the salt. We're done eating. Look at that. What a mess, but very yummy.
What a mess, everybody, but it's my...
You look at here.
So guys, we are here in the Catch, but I won't repeat it again because I know you've been asking again and again.
You see that we're here. Like that is for the vlog one.
It's for the vlog.
Yeah.
Sorry guys. Oh, I burped.
You're
Sorry,
so
sorry guys. Sorry guys. We didn't use this camera because there's another camera there.
yeah.
So sorry everybody, and our favorite And our favorite TikToker is there beside. So we're gonna go see him again.
So there's a local TikToker who visit here at the catch. His name is Ali. I'm gonna say hi and I'll let you see him. So okay, let's go, Rian. Then okay,
It's gonna be nice to hear because maybe I'll spill.
so we will go to Ali.
Yeah.
This is my smallest fan. Look at her. Hello. Talk in Filipino.
Hello.
Say, kumusta po? Look at her. See, they all love you. Guys, tell her how much you love her. Look at her. My smallest fan. Hi, gorgeous. Hi, baby. Answer them. Tell them to come. Come to the catch. Look, here's the logo, guys. She's so cute.
You say. Like you say hi to the
Hello,
vlog.
they're talking in Tagalog. No, I don't understand.
Hi Ali, I have a vlog. Say hi.
Hello. It was really nice here in Catch. You like the food too?
Yes, I like the
Wallah,
food. We
I
had
love
a
the food.
mukbang right there.
Really, especially the lobster. Oh,
Yes.
It was another level.
Yes.
Say hi to my friends, yeah.
Hi everyone. Please follow me at TikTok. This is TikTok,
Yeah,
right?
this is TikTok.
Yes. Ex Marie Joanna.
Follow her, guys.
And also follow me my iPad.
The catch.
I used to go at my iPad. I also
Yeah?
have an iPad at home. I do TikTok there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cute.
you
sometimes-
you dance with Ali.
And you know how I see your TikTok?
How you saw my TikTok?
I see in the catch phone.
Oh wow! Did you see, guys? That is so cute, right? They love you. Say I love you too.
I love you too.
Oh, that is so cute. So guys,
We're gonna do TikTok.
Yes.
I might be having a bad day.
This is the way going to the restaurant. Hi Rian. Rian is looking for TikToks. Yeah, that's nice. Where is that? Again? Sige na.
Let's do the TikTok one.
Hi.
Look, room. Hi.
So, we are doing TikTok. My mom will fetch me around 9:30, I guess.
No.
Or maybe 10. I don't know. It's still 1 hour pa man po. And we're still here at the catch. Rian is doing TikTok. Rian, I'll get copyrighted. So guys, we're just here chilling. Hello,
This is my uncle.
This is Janelle, my cousin. May kay Kwan ka, uli ka. Oh, sana all, uli. Ah. Hey guys, so palamuot kayo na yun, but this is an outro of this whole vlog thing since I forgot to do an outro yesterday. It's because very busy, and then my mom picks me up very early. I thought maabot siya mga 9:30 or 10, but it came around 9. And then we went to somewhere, so I really forgot to do an outro. But this is an outro, guys. Thank you if you have reached this far of this vlog. Thank you for supporting, and hope you like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, guys, very busy because next vlog is very interesting, very funny. You'll get to see us struggling because we have like this past 2 weeks, dagan kayo gibuhat dire. It's not more like laag. It's more like basta guys, I hope you can still you are still here to support me and watch my future vlogs. So that's it guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you soon guys. Once again, this is Joanna Loquellano, your Boholana vlogger. Bye.